Hello people, you're probably wondering, why is this a thing? Lost episodes of the Bloke Man, ? Yeah, this is because I have a ton of old videos from when I was a kid of me unboxing stuff, and back then I wanted to be a YouTuber, but I didn't have a channel, so now's the time to upload those old videos. Oh, and sorry that I don't have any clip names and dates. I'll put the dates and clip names next to timestamps in the description if you guys want to see specific clips, because I'll clip a screenshot of each and everything I open in the lost episodes for the the thumbnail. So hopefully you guys will see what you want to see, and the timestamp will be in the description. So yeah, thank you all for watching this video, and enjoy.
Hey there everybody, it's Jonathan again, and today we're unboxing the Sea Racing Action Pack. Here's what it's like. Here's are the toys that it comes with. It comes with the Sea Trophy, the Reef Ripper, and Deep Dive Gill Grunt. So let's open it. Whoa. These are talented with opening. Oh my goodness. This is like a master kind of thing. There's some stickers. And then, yep, Reef Ripper. Then got the toys. Got the toys right here. Oh my goodness.
Need some help?
Sure. Hey, Mommy, take out the toys. Might be hard for you guys when you take it out. So, here's Gill Grunt. Oh, there comes with the Reef Ripper. Okay, now, here's the Reef Ripper. Little flipper. Actually flips. That's what I like about this toy. Yep, spin it all around. Here we go. And then here's the Sea Trophy. It's a trophy with Golden Queen's face. So yeah, these stickers can be used to enter the websites or enter the apps and use it, or enter the new app, Skylanders Battlecast, and use your stickers. So we'll take another look at the toys before we leave. And after, we'll probably do some gameplay.
Okay. I got a close-up of all of them.
Hey, I thought I saw Gill Grunt in there, but it's my face. Okay.
Time to say bye.
Peace out. Beep bop liddy up. Hey there everybody, it's Jonathan again, and today you're probably wondering what I'm opening. This is a clue. This is a toy for the new Skylanders. So, guess it. Give me one guess in the comments, and then skip over to the part. I'll wait 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Surprise! Skylanders Imaginators. So I thought I'd open it in front of you guys because it's the newest one. I've been waiting a while, and I was so excited to get it. So we're just going to start opening it. I'm not going to show you anything about the box. So, yeah.
Looks like it's glued very well.
It's not glued. It's taped. So, here's the video game. So here's the creation crystal. Oh man. We got the portal. Here's the portal. It's actually basically the swap force portal. And then this is a sticker sheet for the creation crystal. Okay.
Who's that guy?
This guy's Kingpin.
He's just sticking right out of the...
And this one's Golden Queen. So yeah, these are the 3 figurines. Put them on the portal quickly. And I'm going to name mine Dr. Pepper, so I'm going to get to that when we do our gameplay.
Okay.
So see you guys. Actually, I'll show you the poster first. Hopefully I don't rip it this time like I normally do a lot. Okay, let's see.
Let's unfold the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it all open now?
Oh, wait. Don't want to be a poster ripper.
You don't want to be a poster ripper?
Well, this year I don't want to be a poster ripper.
Okay. There's the poster.
There's the poster. Got a couple of elements this year. Chaos has his own element, like Trap Team. And yeah. A couple of things. A lot of guys here. Somehow I'm thinking that, but it isn't too many. So yeah. There's actually 2 Crash Bandicoot visitors in this one. There's Dr. Neocortex and Crash Bandicoot visiting in this one.
Okay.
See you guys. And definitely subscribe. Hey there everybody, it's Jonathan again. We're back with the water creation crystal. It actually comes with the pirate set. And you can build your imaginator with it. So we're gonna unbox it, and here's the back. You take it, choose your battle class, build your Skylander, and it comes to life in the video game. And these are all 10 special creation crystals of all the elements. Okay, now let's open this. I got this at Best Buy, by the way. Oh my. Well, I think I need your help, Mommy. There's tape on both sides.
On both sides?
Yeah.
Of what?
On both sides there's tape holding it.
Sorry.
Oh, you ripped the top? Okay, it's not too much of an unboxing anymore. Okay, let's see here. Here we go. Here's the creation crystal. And here's what it contains with it. It contains all 10 battle class stickers, and it contains a name sticker, and also a support paper.
Why is that? Because you give it your own name?
Yeah.
Ah. think it's packed well. You need a hand there?
There we go. Here it is. It's
Let's
water.
zoom in on that, okay?
Now let's turn it around.
Okay, it's glowing blue. Okay.
No. Till I get back to the gold water drop symbol. Okay, here we go. I don't know what I should do for this guy.
Well, you think about
What?
it and we'll
Wait,
make another
which-
video.
Which out of the 10 do you want to do?
Let's zoom in on that.
Yeah. Which out of the 10 battle classes do you want me to do?
I don't know which one you like. I like the butterfly one. What's the butterfly looking one?
Which one?
I don't know. From here it looked like a butterfly. Here, this thing.
Oh, that one. That's not a butterfly. That's swashbuckler. That means it has 2 swords.
Oh, okay. Well, from this far it looks like it's wings.
I can do quick shot, knight, bazooka, brawler, swashbuckler, smasher, ninja, bowslinger, sentinel, and sorcerer.
Well, I like swashbuckler.
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 I'm gonna take a vote. I'm gonna do bazooka.
Bazooka?
Yeah.
What's bazooka?
Bazooka is basically, they have a bazooka, but I don't think I have any bazooka weapons. I have no idea.
Okay, Jonathan.
Actually, I should have a bazooka weapon.
Are we done? Because it's past your bedtime.
Okay, I don't know which one.
Just think about it, dream about it, and you can figure it out tomorrow, okay?
Okay, see you guys next time. Bye. Hey everybody, it's Jonathan again, and today we have a new Lego Dimensions fun pack. Wait, what? This is glue sticks. Here it is. Okay, so the traveling time train, it's Doc Brown from Back to the Future. The traveling time train turns into the flying time train, and then the missile blast time train. So I'm going to open it and build a character. And then I'm going to go on to the video game with you guys and build a vehicle. And then after that, we'll review the vehicle later on. It's not going to make me yet. Okay, seriously.
So, you say bye?
Oh no, I want to build the character with them.
Oh.
Okay, seriously. Here, and here, and here. What's dumb about this is they fail on the instructions. All they put is how to build the character, and that's it. That's pretty dumb. So then,
Don't forget instructions in the game to build the other stuff.
yeah, to build the. Oh, here's the 2 bases.
How many characters do you get in this one?
Only 1.
You get Doc Brown?
Yeah, Doc Brown.
Okay.
That's it. Here's what I have so far.
And the other basis for the train?
Yeah, this is for the train. And this
Hi,
is.
I'm Jonathan Bernier. What we're doing today is we're going to feed this delicious, yummy syrup to this little boy who's building some kind of castle in the sky. And what we're doing is we're filling his mouth slowly right now with applesauce, so that'll take him to a new dimension. And they call it a Lego dimension, but I call it an apple dimension. And so what I'm doing right now is filling his big mouth, because it talks a lot, that mouth, with lots of sauce. And that should shut him up for at least 4.3 seconds. After the 4.3 seconds, I will stuff another piece of apple in his mouth, but it may not stop him from talking for another 6.3. But the problem is after the 6.3 and the 4.4 and the 8.6 is an earthquake will occur that will destroy the Earth and all the little universe of dimensions that he built. and then I'll run out of apples, and then the trees will fall, and the sky will come from the sky and come and eat us. And I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. And all of a sudden, he finished his applesauce, and then he stuck this up his ear.
Sorry that my dad interrupted, guys. Open the other bag.
Well, if you only have one character, I think we're done building for now, right?
No. Still got the one character left.
I thought you said there's only one character.
Yeah, there's only one character. That's what I'm doing.
Oh, you didn't get his head yet.
I
Oh.
didn't get his head and his hair and his tool he has in his hand.
Oh, I see.
His hair looks like in the movie.
Okay, show me.
Wait. You still haven't got the controller built. Where's the controller piece? Ah, here. I think it's the bottom one here. Here's the controller. So, he wants to do it like this.
Okay, show me Doc Brown with his controller. Move him ahead. Okay, I'm gonna zoom on him.
Wait. This is the back of him. Front.
Okay, cool.
Bye.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye. Hey there, everybody. It's Jonathan again. And today we have a Lego Chima fun pack for Lego Dimensions. So we're going to open it and build the character for now. And then tomorrow we're going to use the video game to build the vehicle. So let's open this baby. How do you open it? It's very hard. Ugh. Yeah. Oh my goodness. So hard to open. Ugh.
Would you like some help?
I got it.
Yeah, just help him.
Yeah, just help me.
Okay, hold the phone.
Okay. Now my mom's gonna help me open up the Lego Chima fun pack. Put the bags in the little thing. Okay, that was unknown. But anyway, take the phone now, Mommy. It's all on me. Oh my god, of course the head and the helmet has to be in... Of course the head, the helmet, and the pieces you need for... The rest of the pieces you need for the guy are in the other bag. Let's see here. There's a few pieces.
Okay, drop the pieces here.
There. Let's see here. How do I do this? In his front. Down here. And then we put him on his base. Let's put him right over here. I think we're going to have to get his head out first and put the head first.
Okay, come on. Come on, Jonathan. Want me to open the other bag?
Yeah. Actually, I'll open it.
Oh, you dropped the piece in between.
Can you get that?
I don't know.
I think you can. I know you can. I know that.
Do you need it right away?
You can try first, and then I'll try if you can't get it. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. This is hard. I don't think this is the right piece. Or whatever. Oh. So let's see here that, and then I need the head. Where's the head?
Isn't that the head?
No, that's just a mask. But there's a head before you put the mask.
That's not what we dropped between the couch, is it?
No, it can't be. It's red. It's a circle. Let me take this out and I'll probably find it. I don't know.
Can you turn this crap? The TV. Are you videotaping?
Yes.
Thanks. Now you got me being recorded saying, can you turn this crap?
Mm-hmm.
Of course.
Okay, I think we
Where's the
should
remote?
stop the video now, right?
No! I finally found it.
Poor mothers are watching this nonsense, and you people are building Legos. What the hell's wrong with you people? We need to watch stuff like Pawn Stars. No children's Curse of the Rogue Islands. I don't know why we pay for cable.
Huh.
Seriously, what do we pay for cable for?
Okay, are you done now, Jonathan?
I'm trying to get the sword. Can you help me? You need both hands.
So what do I need to do here?
Push in the fire.
Just push it in? I think that's as far as it goes.
No, there's a hole in it at the very bottom, so then it can go in.
That's it.
No, it's more, because there's a place where the fire's supposed to stop.
Yeah, it's stopping where it should stop.
Let me take
They're
that.
there.
I know it's not stopping there.
That's where it goes, Jonathan. You're gonna break it if you keep pushing it.
It's gonna go.
That's
me
where
see.
it goes.
On the box, it shows that it's not like that. Oh, I put it in the wrong way, that's why. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's instructions in there. Oh, did you take out the instructions? Yeah, they're out. Of course. All it shows you in here is how to make the guy.
Every channel I turn to, there's a commercial.
Oh my god.
The craft stuff is no commercial, right?
I think that's almost it. Here. The guy is right over here. But I think there's more pieces to him. No, that's it. So, yeah, we'll show you what happens in the instructions.
Do you want some?
In a minute or two.
We'll go provide it.
Here's the lion and the
avocados in it.
and the bird.
Okay, are you done building it? Can we show it to the camera?
Yeah.
What does it look like? Oh, it looked the same as it does on the packaging. Hmm?
Yeah.
And then next you're gonna do the
It's
car when you play the Lego dimensions.
yeah,
huh?
it's the swamp skimmer, whatever you
Okay.
call it.
All right, that's it. Can
Yeah. See you later, guys. Bye.
Well, I hope you guys all enjoyed that video. Yeah, those are really important videos to me from my childhood. I always wanted to upload it to YouTube. I always wanted to upload to YouTube, so thought I'd do it. But thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed those clips, and we'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.